Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Use the mechanical key to pull out the emergency blade first. This exposes the release notch. Insert a small flathead screwdriver into the notch and twist gently to separate the two halves of the shell. Do not apply excessive force to avoid cracking the plastic. Once opened, identify the round coin cell battery seated in a circular recess. Note the battery type, CR2032-3, 0V, common in remotes. Keep the screws or tiny parts contained so nothing is lost while you work. Gently lift the old battery from its slot using a fingernail or a plastic pry tool, levering at the battery edge rather than pressing down on the circuit. Discard the old CR2032-3, 0V properly and unbox the replacement. Place the new CR2032-3, 0V into the recess with the positive, plus, side facing up. Press until it clicks or sits flush. Do not touch the exposed metal contacts with bare fingers. Use a tissue or gloves to avoid oil transfer that can affect conductivity. Align the two halves of the fob and press firmly until all tabs snap into place. Confirm no gaps remain. Slide the mechanical key back into its slot until it locks. Stand 3 to 5 feet from the vehicle and test the lock, unlock, trunk, and panic buttons to verify full remote function and signal strength. If any function fails, reopen the fob to recheck battery orientation. Clean the contact pads gently with isopropyl on a cotton swab, or try another CR2032-3, 0V battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.